discuss the percentage rate of carbon. Here this percentage rate of carbon means is the exceptional nature of carbon than other elements. That is called the percentage nature of carbon. Okay, this carbon compared to other elements have a lot of difference. That is, carbon can form a large number of compounds that the scientists already isolated about 3 million compounds of this carbon. We already are made up of this carbon compounds. So how this carbon can form this large number of compounds? There are two main reasons behind this. The first one is about its catenation property. Carbon can form this large number of compounds due to its catenation property. What is catenation property? Catenation means carbon can form long chains of carbon atoms. Okay, carbon can form long chain of carbon atoms. Okay, this long chain can extend up to about 60 carbon atoms. That is, a carbon can form this long chain of carbon atoms. This chain may be extend up to 60 carbon atoms. Okay, and there are other conditions also, and so this property is called the catenation. Catenation means carbon can form long chains with other carbon atoms. This property is called catenation. Okay, and this chain may be either straight chain or may be branched. Carbon chain may be branched or it may be cyclic. This carbon can form like this. Okay, so carbon can form long chains with other carbon atoms, and this property is called catenation, and this chain may be either straight chain or may be branched or may be cyclic. Okay, and during the formation of this long chain, carbon can link with the other carbon atoms either by single bonds. Okay, carbon-carbon chains may be either formed by single bonds, and compounds of carbon having only single bonds are called saturated compounds. Saturated compounds. Or this carbon-carbon chain may contain double or triple bonds. Carbon-carbon compounds containing double or triple bonds are called unsaturated compounds. Okay, no other element have this catenation property like this carbon, because all other elements, the exception is silicon. In the case of silicon, it can form long chains with other silicon atoms, but this silicon contains only up to 7 or 8 atoms. Silicon can form this, not it is catenation property. The silicon can combine with the other silicon atoms and forming chains, but this chains contain only up to 7 or 8 atoms. But carbon can form long chains with the other carbon atoms up to 60 carbon atoms. That is the speciality. Okay, and other property is that this carbon